Hey everyone, welcome back. If you already have a SHEIN account, logging in is quick and simple. First, open your SHEIN app on your phone. Next, tap on the account or your profile icon on the bottom. You are going to go ahead and click on sign in or register. Then, if you had an account, it will pop up. It will pop up as it was, or you could enter your registered email address or phone number and your password. If prompted, complete the verification step. Or if you're seeing something like this on the screen, just click sign in. Or if it's not this account, you could click on sign in with another account, and there you go. You will directly be inside your account. Once logged in, you will have access to your orders, save items, and account settings. If login fails, double check your details before trying again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.